I can't even imagine the stress that she's under right now. Like she better do good on this one is all I have to say. Jeffree could never. I'm sorry. Like I said, for the millionth time, I'm excited. And I might hate to admit it a little bit, but I am. Does it look like I'm like on crack or something? Like you can see how red my eye is. So can you talk about the prices real quick? Yeah. Sorry about this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a couple more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. First of all, it has been a rough morning in my household. I got up early to film this before work. One of my eyes, I feel like I've slept with something in it. Oh my god, it's in so much pain, so I'm sorry in advance. Oh my god. I tried to put a little makeup on, but I look busted, okay? I'm just coming out the gate letting you know that I know, so I don't need people telling me down below. And my nose is super runny, but I don't feel like I have a cold. I don't know. It's just been a weird morning. My cat threw up. So anyway, we are going to be talking about the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Valentine's Day mystery boxes. Oh my god, my freaking eyes. Does it look like I'm like on crack or something? Like you can see how red my eye is. Now, I have some thoughts and feels about Jaclyn Hill myself. I personally have a love-hate relationship with her. I might have privated it at this point. But a while back I did post a video after her like lipstick scandal saying like I can't support her anymore. We were all really upset. And for the most part that was true. When she came out with her highlighters, even though they were getting like raving reviews, I did not pick them up. I was still like, oh my god, I don't want to support her. Ever since she patted her tears dry with a $100 bill on Instagram stories, I just had a bad taste in my mouth. If you're not new to my channel, you know that all the time, whenever they come out, usually I am doing something with the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. My subscribers love them. It's not a reflection of Jeffree. It's just something that people love to see on my channel. It's also a great way for me to give back to my subscribers because I always do a giveaway with them. And there's so many CEOs and brand owners, I'm sure that we don't even know about, that do horrible, shady things because that's what rich people do a lot of times. Anyway. So when I was thinking about this, when this got like announced, and my friend Connor, I'm sure you guys know, I'll leave her video link down below too because she did a video last night. I was way too tired. So when these came out and were announced, I was like, and Connor was hyping me up all day, like I can't wait to see what it's gonna be, what she's gonna drop. And I'm just like, oh, like I know because her highlights were so good, apparently. I don't know, like I said, I didn't try them. That I am intrigued, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe she's finally over the hump of like releasing horrible products or having launches go wrong, whatever. And I do genuinely like Jaclyn Hill. Whenever she uploads a video, I watch it. I can't help myself. It's like she has this hold over me and I don't like it. But anyway, so I'm still torn, but I have 24 hours to decide. But I'm 99.9% sure I will be purchasing some mystery boxes because that's what she's launching, which first of all, I think is freaking sick and also really smart. Because mystery boxes tend to get a lot of hype, especially like I said around like the Jeffree ones. So let's get into it real quick. Tomorrow she is releasing Valentine's Day mystery boxes slash capsules. So it looks like there's going to be a bunch of different products, which first of all is cool in and of itself, and then second of all being a mystery item, like obviously it's to create hype, but that is fun and exciting, and actually it's a really cool way to be able to try a lot of the products at a reduced price, which I'll get into in a second. So I actually think this is a really cool idea. So it looks like there's 4 options. You have like a lip set, Light of My Life set, which seems like highlighter, obviously lip set seems like lips, Self-Love Starter Kit set, which looks like highlighters, lippies, and lip gloss. That's what I think everything is in this collection by the picture. And then you have the For the Love of Makeup set, which is basically everything. So I will probably be purchasing the everything set as well as like the lip set or something to do for a giveaway, because I don't think there's any variations, because looking at this screen grab on Twitter, this girl, not a dumb question girlfriend, said, so does the one circled have all the product that are in the boxes in it? I just need to know for Friday. She said yes, that one is the entire collection worth $217. And these are really, really fairly priced, by the way. $25, $45, $35, and $65. So can you talk about the prices real quick? $25, $35, $45, $65. Jeffree could never. I'm sorry. And from what I remember, Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics is supposed to be a high-end luxury brand. Her items are not super affordable, for lack of a better term. So when you're saying that you're getting $217 worth of product for $65, are you kidding me? So honestly, I'm intrigued. I think I'm going to purchase them, if anything, to give her and her brand a second try. I think that she has taken a good time to hopefully reflect on everything and learn. Who really knows? But I'm really excited. Obviously, I will be doing a giveaway as well, so if you want to stay tuned for that in my unboxing and everything, make sure that you like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss that. Hit the notification bell, of course, because I don't know if I can get express shipping. I probably won't still pay for it because the mail has been such a crazy mess lately. So I don't know when I'll get it. So just make sure that you're subscribed and hit the notification bell. Of course, subscribe to Connor if you're not already too, because I know she'll be doing an unboxing. She'll probably be doing a giveaway as well. I don't know, we'll see. But what do you think? Do you think that the highlighters are gonna be her old formula? She was so adamant that they are never coming back, but I wonder if they'll at least be super similar, because it clearly seems like there is a glow set. So highlighting, gloss, it looked like a gloss, it didn't look like a mascara or anything, and then lips. Of course, she had to do lips, right? So we'll see. I never tried her lipsticks, of course, but we all know the fiasco with that. If you don't know, just type in Jaclyn Hill lipsticks and a whole bunch of stuff will come up. I can't even imagine the stress that she's under right now. Like, she better do good on this one, is all I have to say. And I'm not trying to put extra pressure on her, as if she's ever gonna see this video and she knows who I am. Like, I'm a nobody. She doesn't know who I am, but most people don't know who I am, and that's fine. I understand that. But I'm excited. I wonder if I feel like maybe it'll be because I saw 3 lip colors, maybe like a light nude, a deep nude, and a red or something. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? I think in her Instagram story the other day, she's wearing a red lipstick, so maybe it's red. I don't know. And I'm sure the gloss will be nude. So I feel like this is gonna be a very like nude, everyday wearable collection. Like I said, for the millionth time, I'm excited. And I might hate to admit it a little bit, but I am. So anyway, I just wanted to get a quick video up and chat about it and get your ideas. Leave your comments down below. I want to chat about it down below, and let's see what happens. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys.